Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2012 Lexus RX 350. This comes in a silver exterior and has a black interior. Ooh, some really nice wood accents there. It does have a sunroof. And here's our trunk. And rear seat. Look at the sunroof there. This does have memory seats. Driver seat controls, door controls, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle, 100,315. Does have a push button ignition. Let's see our shifter here, climate controls, and our radio. If you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.